Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. Let's check out the perfect gift for a Star Wars lover. Forget going to the dark side for cookies. The dark side now has the capability to make your alcohol look even cooler than any bottle it comes in. This Stormtrooper whiskey decanter is absolutely gorgeous. It is delicate glass, but also still feels quite sturdy. And as you can see, the more you fill it up, the more predominant the Stormtrooper face becomes and more definitive. I absolutely love the design. It is so unique. I had never seen anything like it before, and I knew I had to have it. As you can see, it holds quite a bit of liqueur. It does hold up to, I think, 750 mils, and it just comes with two matching glasses. The cork is also really tight on there as well. You can see here when it is fuller, it does show the whole detail in the face. What I love about it is just how unique these are. The glasses look like your average double wall glass until you fill it up, and it totally reflects the shape of the Stormtrooper. Whether you're on the dark side or a Jedi, drinking out of this will make you feel the Force in full effect. But that's just my point of view.